Well, hello guys. Today we are doing another unboxing video, and we are unboxing the same shoe as the previous one that I unboxed. We previously unboxed the New Balance 574s, but in a beige color. Today's different color, but it's still the same shoe. So I'm not gonna be providing you more details in this video. It's gonna be a quick one, but if you want a more detailed video, please go check out my previous unboxing. I'm sure you will. I don't know, if you're just wondering, if you want to know more about the shoe, just go watch the previous unboxing, and let me leave you to enjoy this shoe. It's such a beautiful one. I hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to leave me some comments down below, and yeah, enjoy.